Carrasco and classmates. My name is Liuba Kinech. I am a student from the third grade Happiness at GMPF school. Today, I am going to talk about my project, My Favorite Animal. There are lots of animals around the world, but I can say the tiger is my favorite one. The tiger is a mammal. It has got warm blood. Not only that, the tiger is very special to me because it has got a beautiful fur. It has got long tail. It has got teeth. It has got long whiskers. It has got claws. The tiger has got orange and black stripes. We can see a tiger at the Peruvian Zoo, but its natural habitat is jungle of Africa. The tiger loves to eat some small animal like the monkey, zebras meat in general, because they are carnivores. The tiger can run very fast. They are strong and they are so dangerous. That was my project. I hope you like it. Thank you.